Hey guys, it's me, Maddie, and you should definitely keep watching to find out how to make your very own sweet and creamy coffee-themed candle. So good you could drink it, but don't. Start with your wax of choice measured out and cut into even-sized chunks. I'm using a soft soy paraffin blend that's perfect for use in containers. Place the wax into a heated double boiler to begin melting it. While you're waiting for the wax to melt, you can prep your container. To do so, place a wick sticker onto the tab of your wick and press it down firmly onto the bottom of your container. Secure and center the wick using chopsticks or a bow tie holder, just like me. Check back in on your melted wax, and once it is fully liquefied, remove it from the double boiler and grab your thermometer to check the temperature. We want it to be about 185 degrees Fahrenheit so we can add our fragrance and colorant. Now that I'm in the target temp range, let's give it a scrumptious Irish coffee cream scent. Up next, we need to give the wax a brown color to mimic coffee. Add in some drops of liquid candle color and stir again, making sure the color is evenly distributed in the wax. I'm going to go ahead and fill our container about 3/4 of the way. Make sure to leave some space at the top for the next step. While we wait for our coffee-colored wax to cool, let's prep for the rest of the candle. In your pouring pitcher, melt down some more wax. Allow it to completely liquefy and remove it from the heat once again. Same as you did before, check the temperature to ensure it's ready for fragrance and add the rest of your Irish coffee cream scent. Let the wax cool to pouring temperature and top off the candle, pouring until you reach the tip of your container. With that, our Irish coffee cream candle is done. Allow it to cool and solidify completely and trim the wick to about 1/4 of an inch. For the most optimal burn, let the candle cure for the recommended amount of time based on your wax type. This candle project is perfect for St. Patty's season, and it smells absolutely delicious thanks to our fragrance. Now it costs us about $5 to make this 12-ounce candle, meaning it could be sold wholesale for $6 to $7 and retail for $8 to $14 depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. Now don't forget to check out all of our other candle how-tos over in our playlist on our channel. Now if you haven't already, make sure to leave a like on this video to help support our channel and subscribe for more content just like this. Ring that bell icon so you never miss an update from AFI, and we'll see you guys in the next one really soon. I'm Maddie, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!